All right, in this video, we are going over how to approve a request that came in and they have no reviews. So typically when a request comes in, you're either going to have no reviews or they're going to have no reviews and have no identity verified. In this particular situation, we got the request, as you can see here. This is their little profile. They have 0 reviews, but their identity is verified. So whenever we get that message, we can go here to the quick replies, and then it's in alphabetical order. So you're going to go to no reviews. So it's in the ends, and we're going to click on this message here. No reviews, but they're verified. There is a difference. There's one that says here no reviews and not verified. So this one they are verified. So we're going to use this reply. Click on that, and then it's going to put the message here for them. Typically, whenever we put this message, sometimes we delete number 3 here. So you want to pay attention. And by paying attention, I mean if you look at their message, if they tell you what they're doing. So in this particular case, looking for a place for a weekend, active duty, 2 people staying total, looking to check in Friday evening. So they didn't tell us what we're doing. So that's why in this particular case, we left it. We just like to get more information out of them. We like to kind of hear them, what they're going to say, what they're going to type, just so that we can gauge if they're going to be a good guest or a bad guest. So in this particular situation, we have here actually where they answered all our questions in a good format. Sometimes that's where you can start gauging if it's a good guest or a bad guest. Sometimes they'll be super short and they won't even answer all the questions. But this particular person, they put them all just how we gave them to him. 1, 2, 3, replied to every single question. He has stated Airbnb before. That's a good thing. This is my first time requesting. Okay, so that makes sense why he doesn't have reviews. He said he's in active duty. This is him just telling us more about himself. He's coming with his girlfriend, trying to escape boredom. Number 3, he's going to watch the movie Black Widow, go to Olive Garden, shopping for new clothes. So he told us what he's going to do. So the fact that he told us all this information, that's a good thing. And in this particular situation, we actually accepted it. So we told him, hey, thanks so much for all this info, excited. We sent a message here that says, now, after we decide that we're approving, before we actually approve the request, we go here to the messages and we put take care of our place. This is just another question or another statement to see what they're going to say. In this particular case, we sent that information. We tell them, hey, we're excited to give you a 5-star review. So, hey, we're going to take care of you, but hey, take care of our place. It's kind of basically what we're saying. We just ask that you take care of our place, follow our house rules. Typically, we wait for them to reply, and depending on what they reply, then we'll accept them, just for like a worst case scenario. But in this particular case, we sent it and we were already kind of running out of time. So we didn't want to forget about it. We didn't want to put it off, and so we just accepted it right then and there when we sent the message. And so then after that, they get the message that, they'll get the instructions in the morning. And then the day that they check in, they got their instructions. But that's how you basically accept a guest with no reviews.